We're not dealing with those fires, but we've got some rain on the way.
That's right, of course. It had to happen sometime. It's that time of the year, and we are talking about the tropics. This is potential Tropical Cyclone 6. It's this broad area of showers and storms in the southern Gulf of Mexico, and it is expected to drift northward tomorrow and strengthen to a tropical storm. Next name on the list is Francine. It looks like it will continue to strengthen getting into Tuesday and Wednesday as it hugs the western Gulf Coast and could strengthen to a Category 1 hurricane by landfall. Landfall looks like sometime maybe late Wednesday, early Thursday, either in East Texas or western Louisiana. Now, there's still no well-defined center with PTC 6, so the cone will shift up. Make sure you do check back for the latest forecast with this because landfall is only a couple days away. It looks like sometime late Wednesday, early Thursday. So calling for a weather impact alert for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday here at home this week because we'll see the tropical downpours starting Tuesday, heavy rain on Wednesday into early Thursday, strong winds, especially for Wednesday into early Thursday, could lead to some street flooding and some coastal flooding during the midweek, especially considering all the rain we got over the last couple of days. It wouldn't be that difficult to maybe get some downed trees going into Wednesday when those winds start to kick up and maybe some power outages. So just kind of throwing that out there, getting that out in the open now for the midweek time frame, just getting our minds prepped for what's to come. As for tomorrow, tomorrow's going to be a pretty quiet day. Monday, we'll see a mix of sunshine and clouds, mostly dry, maybe a couple spotty showers and storms at the coast, mid 80s for our afternoon highs tomorrow. It's going to be a little bit breezy tomorrow with our winds coming in from the northeast. Again, 1 or 2 spotty showers and storms on our Monday afternoon for our coastal spots. Not anticipating much. It's not until Tuesday things start to pick up. The tropical downpours move in Tuesday. That's when we start to feel the effects of PTC 6, which will be named Francine by tomorrow. Then we'll see some rounds of heavy rain for Tuesday. So we can see some localized flooding getting into Tuesday and then more heavy rain pushing in for Wednesday. So this is the European model. Looking at this, it looks like it will be strengthening again, maybe to a Category 1 storm by the time it reaches landfall somewhere in western Louisiana. Landfall still not exact yet. That will change, and of course that could have effect on what sort of impacts we see. But generally planning for a lot of rain here at home Tuesday, Wednesday especially, Wednesday night into early Thursday. So Wednesday and Thursday will bring the roughest of the weather, and then this pulls away by the second half of Thursday. So by Thursday afternoon, conditions improving for us. GFS forecasts, similar situation here. Landfall somewhere in western Louisiana, late Wednesday, early Thursday. We see the rough weather here at home beginning Tuesday, but really picking up Wednesday, Thursday. That's the roughest of the weather for us, the heaviest of the rain, the strongest of the winds here at home. Looks like it will be happening Wednesday, later Wednesday into early Thursday. So rainfall totals between Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, area wide, 4 to 6 inches of rain expected. Again, putting that on top of all the rain we saw over the last 3 days, you could really see some roads easily flooding. Getting into the midweek time frame, some of our small bodies of water could be running a little bit higher because we're just going to be tacking on more rain. It's going to be kind of a messy couple of days, not to mention the street flooding. You definitely have to drive carefully, especially Wednesday and Thursday. So wind speed forecast, winds will be picking up for us. It will be breezy on Tuesday, but I think the strongest winds here in our part of Louisiana coming in for Wednesday in the evening hours. Wind gusts maybe up to 35 miles per hour on Wednesday afternoon, and then the winds really start to strengthen up late Wednesday into early Thursday, staying breezy throughout the first part of Thursday, and then that pulls up to the north and things start to improve by our area by Thursday in the afternoon, so later in the day. We'll take a closer look at those wind gusts. So strong wind gusts looks like up to maybe 35 miles per hour Wednesday night, and then picking up, seeing those wind gusts maybe up to 50 plus miles per hour at times as the system is moving inland late Wednesday into early Thursday, and then keeping those gusty winds with us into early Thursday morning, and then again seeing those conditions improve by Thursday night. So the timing with this can change up a little bit. This is really what you need to know. It's going to be a soggy rainmaker for us. Rounds of heavy rain expected. Could see some street flooding Getting into Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, it is going to be windy midweek Wednesday and Thursday with those strong wind gusts up to maybe 40 to 50 miles per hour, maybe gusting close to 60 miles per hour for our coastal spots late Wednesday through early Thursday, and watching for some coastal flooding or surge of 1 to 3 feet above that normal high tide during the midweek. So we'll be watching this very closely. Make sure you check back in every day to get the latest, to see if there are any big updates, any big swings in the forecast. But this is what we have tomorrow. Quiet tomorrow. If you know your house floods, tomorrow's not a bad idea to maybe get some sandbags, get that kind of ready, because we'll be seeing the tropical rain moving in Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, the strong winds and the coastal flooding, but conditions improving by next weekend.